In this tutorial, I'll show you how to receive secure online payments with Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log into your account. From My Workspace, select My Forms. Click Create Form, choose Start from Scratch, and then select Classic Form. In the Form Builder, click Add Element, then open the Payments tab. Choose your preferred payment gateway such as PayPal, Stripe, or Square and add it to your form. Click the Connect button and sign in to your payment account to complete the authentication process. After the connection is complete, click Save to apply your payment settings. When you're ready, click Publish and choose whether to copy the form link or use the embed code to add the form to your website. That's how to receive secure online payments with Jotform. Thanks for watching.